Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. This is the episode 5 in our Linux series. In this video, we'll talk about managing files and directory. So let's see how we can do that. In previous video, we'll see how to create a folder, how to navigate around that. Now let's see bit more advanced thing over there, okay? CD, we created a folder, Linux, okay? ls clear ls. As we can see here, there is no folder. Now let's suppose we create multiple files over here, okay? You can create file using touch command, okay? So we'll talk about different command as well. Test1.txt. This is the one file. Now let's create another file. Touch with the same, just rename it to 2. One more file, 3. Sorry, 4. Okay, now okay, I forgot to create 3. ls. Okay, so we have four files, okay? Now let's see if how we can copy multiple file at once. Now for that, let's create a folder mkdir corp id ls. Now we have 4 text file and one folder. Now let's see how we can move those files. So one way is using test1.txt, test2, test3, test4, and where we need to move corp id. Okay, okay, sorry, I forgot to mention the command. So we just want to move all this file to the corp id folder. Now if we run ls, we can see here there is no text file, and if we list corp id, let's see, we can see here our all files are into the folder, moved into the folder corp id. Let run now let's see more advanced things, like more advanced way to copy files from one directory to another. For this, let's create few more files. Similarly, touch 1, touch 2, okay, ls. So as we can see here, here are two files. Everything is similar on that file apart from 1 and 2. So what we can else do, mb test asterisk. So what asterisk will refer anything after any file after asterisk, or let's suppose there is a file, anything after asterisk it will take and it will move it. To understand it much more better, let's create one file manu.txt also. So we can see here we have 3 file, 1 folder. Now let's copy these file. If we want to move it, we can do that. Test asterisk asterisk, and where we need to move corp id. CLS, we have the manu.txt is there and corp id is moved to that folder. Now let's see what are the content. Okay, as you can see here, there's no content because when we copy it, it got merged into that. If we rename that, then it make more sense. So I did not did that. So this is one more thing using which you can navigate from. You can move multiple files from one directory to another directory. And if you want to see the system status, you can also, you want to see how many folder do you have. So you have to run df slash, so it shows the drive that you have. Now let's run few more command, or few more advanced command over here. Okay, now let's delete this file rm corp it folder corp it. The reason why I mention is f is forcefully. If you want to delete something forcefully, then you can add f. Unless we have only Manoj. Okay, so this is the way using which you can move multiple file from here and there. And same thing work with cp command. Okay, so let's create few file test. Okay, so we have two file. Let's create one folder. Now let's move this. So how we can move, copy that cp test star, where we need to move corp, sorry, we create the folder name Manoj, and if ls, the file got copy. And how we can verify that? ls Manoj. So as you can see here, we have the file. And if you want to delete everything that is in this directory, how we can do that? Rm hyphen rf and then asterisk. So it will delete files as well as the folder. ls, nothing is there. But if you are running this command, please make sure you are running this command very fragile, because this can destroy your system. Because it you cannot recover those files. So if you are running this command, be very cautious where are you running those. Okay, so this all about it from this video. We'll catch up on next one, where we see how you can use vim editor in linux. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you have any doubt, just comment down. I will check and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, peace.